Boys,
Yeah?
who opened up the robot?
Who's a Nebo? Yeah, and I did this part and this. And Isa did this.
Why did you open it up?
Because I found Lego stuck inside. The pieces. We got out one, but then there's one which we have to get out so Musa opened the pieces which Musa opened. He used those, when he opened those pieces, he was able to get the Lego.
So you opened up the robot?
Yes.
Who's gonna put it back together?
Musa. I found the Lego. Ethan needs to close the robot.
Do you think you could do it?
Yes, we found out how to open it.
You found out how to open it. Could you put it back together? That's the challenge for you. Okay.
Today we're going to try to fix the thing. I think I know that. Hey. What? Move so seriously? Bro. Now we're going to have to... I think this goes first. Okay. Let me do it, bro. Let me help you out. Bro plus bro equals naked bro. Did you just say bro plus bro equals naked bro? Mega. Oh, naked. Go, I want to get in there. Because it doesn't want to. Shove it. Oh, I'm smarter than you now. Musa. This is supposed to go in there first. Oh. So how do they put this guy in here? You said to put it in first. Yeah, I think so. And I do not think so. Well, oh wait, it's not. I told you. You hurt my feelings. Nobody else listens to me. Man, you will. If I do this, just the Binox second. Now we're gonna do Mr. Binox. Is that the show that you always watch? Which is science. Wow, girl. Well, it is kind of sciencey, but it's big. For you, and we're done. I think I'm smart now.
Let's see if
it works. I don't think so. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to take it all apart. We need to step on James because he did not listen to me. Okay, I think it does. Oh, now I remember. It's out of battery. When we found it. Wait, it works. It can't move. Why can't it move? Yay! Oh yeah. How are you guys? We took your challenge.
First of all, why would you take apart the robot? Why? Why would you even bother doing that?
Musa wanted to get the dumb Lego. It was you who wanted to, and you said that it's stuck. You told me no. What?